message. Oh, you look so cute. Action. Hey guys, and welcome to my cat beauty channel. This is the first video on this channel, and usually I post on my main channel, Karishmaalexis, where I do all my fun skits and all my comedy and all my drama and all my stuff and blah blah blah. But this is the channel where I'm going to be posting beauty stuff like makeup and fashion, because I love all that stuff too, and I thought I'd make another whole channel just for that. So for the first video today, we're going to be trying a hairless removal product, because I always like to find new ways to remove my hair. I've tried shaving, I've tried waxing, I've tried that noir thing where you put the cream and then you like remove it, but I hate how it smells, so I've like never used that again. But so far, waxing has always been my favorite product. But then I was shopping on this app called Wish, not sponsored by the way, but if you want to sponsor me, Wish, I'm not going to be obliged to that. But I found this on Wish, and it looked really interesting, and it's a hair removal product. This is what it looks like. It's a little sponge thing, and it's got this like hard paper on it, and it's just a sponge, paper on it. And I was like, how does this remove hair? You know, like this doesn't. You know, waxing, shaving, you know, you're shaving off the hair, or you're pulling off when you wax the hair, but I don't get how this would remove hair. But I saw like 2 videos, like little tutorials on how to do it, and there's this one like 30-second video, and this woman just going like circling around, and she used water, but then I saw another video that did the exact same thing, but they didn't use water. So I thought I would use this opportunity to test out this product for my beauty channel and see if this thing really works, because I am gonna hope that it works, because I'm gonna be really surprised if this thing works, because I'm gonna hope that it works. I'm hoping that it works. I'll be surprised if it works. So let me show you my arm hair. So I have a lot of arm hair, and I like it, but also I like to also wax it, because I feel like I lost 30 pounds every time I wax myself on my arm and my legs. But sometimes waxing can be time consuming, but it's more time, I think shaving is more time consuming than waxing, honestly. That's why I like waxing better. So I thought maybe I'll try this, and maybe it won't be as time consuming, but all the reviews said it was really time consuming. I thought, why not give it a try, give it a go. I'll do it like on a part like that's really hairy. Yes, that's all I'll do. I don't know if like it's just like if I have to do a certain side first, but the girl did the pink side, so I guess that felt different. Okay, we'll do the pink side first, because that feels different. So I'm gonna do the pink side. Hi, how you doing? Okay, I see like 4 pieces of hair removed, but I can't see anything. Okay, I'm gonna get water. So I got the water. I'm gonna put it in that area that I was doing. Circle it. And then I'm gonna just circle it again. Ooh! No way! No way! Oh, that is so weird. Oh, that is... Ooh, that is so weird. Look at that! Look at the mini hairs that are on there, right? Okay. And then look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it like got clumps. So that is so weird. Looks like I shaved my arms though. I don't like that. I've never shaved my arms before. I've only waxed them, so it looks like I shaved it. So that's, I don't like that one. But I'm gonna continue this. Because if this works, this is gonna make, and that was quick too. Look at that, oh my god, look at that. Okay, wait, I gotta show you this, alright? So I'm gonna do it again on another part of my arm. So, got the part wet. Then I'm gonna do this, get an angle, you can see it. I'm gonna put the sponge on here. I'm just gonna go in a circle. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, didn't work as much. Okay, that didn't work as well as it. Okay, let's do this again. So, we're just trying this out together, okay? So, I'm gonna do right here. Right there. And then I'm gonna take the thing and I'm gonna do that. It says though the longer your hair is, the more time you have to spend on it. So maybe that's why. But it's actually removing. Do you not see that? But I'm still surprised it like removes the hair, period, you know? Like that is so cool. Like I hope you guys can see that. Cause that is, oh my god, that is so cool. I'm gonna do like a timing thing where you can just see me do my arm really quickly. Not quite done. I've like got this little part and I'm like wanting to give up, but I can't because I don't want to leave a half sponged off hair, arm hair. So I'm gonna continue to do it and I'm gonna come back in like 5 minutes. Still surprised it works. It is time consuming. So I came in the bathroom because it started raining outside, but it took me a really long time to remove all my hair, but I eventually got it. You really kind of have to play with on your own to see what works for you. So I got 3 sponges to play with because I knew this would happen. When I took the wet one and I sponged my arm, it worked really well, and then eventually it lost its texture. Well, texture. Did I say that funny? Sounds like I say that funny. But it lost its texture in its little sandpaper-like paper, and it wasn't removing my hair anymore. So then I had to get another one. Instead of wetting it as much, I just wet it lightly and continued to do it, but it still didn't work because especially with my smaller hairs. And then eventually I stopped wetting the sponge, period, and I just like would stay there constantly. And then it eventually worked. Stay there for like a really long time. It's for kind of like if you barely have any hair. Like see if you have like this kind of, if you already have like a smooth hairless arm and it just like grows barely anything, then it's perfect because it won't take you any time. You're just gonna go like a little bit of rub here and a little bit of rub here and you're good. But if you have like a lot of hair like me, you know, and you're like barely removing your hair. It's gonna take some time to do it, but it does work. It does work. It takes time if you have a lot of hair like me. So eventually, like from now on, now that I've removed my hair, I'm gonna do it like every 2 weeks when it grows like just a little bit, and then remove it. But otherwise, I don't recommend it if you have a lot of hair and you're not gonna remove your hair a lot and it's gonna grow eventually. But if you barely have any hair and you just want to like quickly like pull it out of your purse and be like, oop, I got a little bit of hair, let me remove it, then I like recommend it, because otherwise it's really good and it does remove the hair and does get my like hand really smooth. Like, look at that. I don't know, 20 minutes later I finally got all the hair removed. But I mean, it is a hair removal, like it says, it does remove hair. It's just is really time consuming if you have a lot of hair to start with. It was also only 90 cents for like 2 when I got it on Wish, and it came in like 2.5 weeks. And Wish products usually take a month, so that was actually really fast. But it's only 90 cents, so if you want to just play with it and have fun, I'd recommend, you know, just playing with it and have fun. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed that video, then give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos with beauty. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first video on this Cat Beauty channel, and I will see you guys again some other time. I don't really have a set day of the week, so I'm kind of just playing with this channel. But yeah, see you guys next time.